on VLOOKUP, we have seen how to find the value of any given data from a big data set. So HLOOKUP functions same like VLOOKUP. There is only one thing, that it works on the rows, and VLOOKUP works on the columns. So let's start here. Let's look with the example on how HLOOKUP works. So for example, I want to find the baked goods data, and I want to know what is the average consumption of baked goods in a given data point. So how to do that? Just type in equal to, then type HLOOKUP, then open bracket, then lookup value. Lookup value is the same, the value which we want to find in a given data set. So I want to find baked goods, so I will type baked goods data. Then it will ask for the table array. Table array means again from which point you want to find, from which table you want to see that value for. So I am taking this baked goods till the very end of periodicals. I will just take down. It will ask the row index number. In our VLOOKUP video, we have seen that it was asking about the column index number. Here we have to find the row index number. So what is my row index? This is the third one, 1, 2 and 3. This is the third row which I want to find through. So I am just taking the third row, so I will just take a 3 here. Then it is asking whether you want to approximate match or the exact match. As we have seen in the lookup table video also, that most of the cases, 95% of the cases, always look for the exact match, because there is some limitations to this formulas HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. So 95% of the times it always used for the exact match cases only. So just take exact match right now, and then close the bracket, enter. So we can see the baked good data it has taken as baked goods, it has taken 4539 as average consumption. Let's see for the alcoholic beverages also. What is the consumption for alcoholic beverages? But alcoholic beverages are not present right now. We can actually just put it here. So alcoholic beverages. Now let's see how to do that. Again, equal to HLOOKUP, lookup, then lookup value is alcoholic beverages. Then in the table array of this array, I want to look for the alcoholic beverages value. Then what is the index number? Index number is 3. Then the lookup value is false, and this true. It is giving 3962. So this is how the HLOOKUP function also works. It is same like VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP looks for the vertical part, HLOOKUP looks for the horizontal part. And believe me, these two functions you have to practice a lot. Once you are having a hands-on experience on these two functions, you will never be failing on these two functions in your data analysis, in your office works, in your day-to-day activities, in your productivity. It will always boost your productivity. So also one catch is there into the HLOOKUP. Let's see that catch. If I am just taking baked goods, I will just copy from here, and I will just paste it here, baked goods, and I will change the values as 5000 and 9000 something, and then again I will just do this. I will do enter. It is only taking the value of the first incident it is facing. HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, both functions only take the first incident that is occurring in the given data set. It is not taking the another incident of baked goods. It is only taking the first incident of baked goods, and it is giving the value from that only. So that is what the limitation of the HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP are there. They both only take the first incidence of the data point which is available in a given data sets, and all other data points are ignored. But to capture all these data points and data sets, we have to use the two major another functions, that is SUMIF function and the pivot table, which I am covering into my other videos. You can watch that videos and learn something. See you in the next video. Thank you.